Say good morning. Bless you. Good morning, True. We just woke up not too long ago. It is 8 a.m. on a Tuesday morning, so we are just doing our normal routine today. I am getting ready to put in a pot roast in my crock pot, and I'm so nervous about it. Elliot has asked me for years to make a pot roast, and I've been too scared to do it because it just seems so hard, and I don't know, I don't like trying new things, especially if they look difficult. I usually just don't try it. So like a year ago, after 4 years of him asking me to make a pot roast, I tried to make one and it was not good at all. So I didn't attempt it again. But this morning, she is really talkative this morning. Gosh. Okay, this morning, what are you doing? This morning, I'm going to attempt one again. I can't talk. I watched my mom make her pot roast a couple months ago when I was in Indiana, and she just like threw everything in the crock pot. It was amazing. She just didn't have a recipe. She just threw it all in there, put some spices in. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm literally just gonna wing it. I'm gonna throw everything in it, turn it on low, and let it cook for as long as I want it to. Look at my cutting board. This is the only one in my house. Why am I still using this? I don't know. Not having a recipe to follow, but I just can't find one that I like, so we're just gonna do that.
So, we're gonna make slime today. So that's what we're gonna do. Glitter slime. And so we're gonna have really fun, I guess. But it's mostly happy. And I'm really excited. Here you go, Mommy.
Okay.
I'm taking a picture of the messy room.
Oh no, you're taking a picture of the messy room? Mm-hmm. Yep, it's messy. Everly, why are you so excited today?
Because we're making slime.
Evie has been asking to make slime for like months. She watches the YouTube videos where they make slime and they like put all their toys in it and dress their dolls in slime. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but that's what they do. And so we decided that we were gonna do some slime. So we'll see how it turns out. I don't know. What's wrong? Oh, here, let's fix this. We need to get you out of your jammies anyways. Can we look at you two? Let's get hair done and jammies off. Are you ready now? You're still eating that graham cracker?
Well, I'm eating Truly's.
You're eating Truly's graham cracker?
Yeah.
This little girl is teething. She's got 4 of her back like molars coming in, I think. But there's 4 of them coming in. You can feel them. Here you go. And so she has been sleeping so bad and waking up so early, going to bed so late. Her naps have been really short. And all of a sudden you'll look at her and she'll just smack her face really hard because her gums are hurting. We're all gonna be really relieved when those teeth come in because it's been like a month that they've been trying to come up. Good job. You wanna go play? Good job. Oh, yummy, Eves. We are going to try and make our own slime, right, Evie? Which one do you want to do first? Which color?
Blue.
You want to do blue? Let's get our blue. Like, open the lid. Look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, now let's get our baking soda. We need a ½ tablespoon of baking soda. Sprinkle it in there.
Okay, that's kind of weird.
That is kind of weird.
It makes it like snow.
I know. And then we need a tablespoon and a half of saline solution. Isn't that weird?
That's fine.
Stir it up.
I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna have to get all the slime off of this spoon.
Is that how it's supposed to look? Look, it's like really watery.
I don't think that's how it.
What'd we do wrong?
Play with it.
This didn't turn out right.
It did, Mommy.
I think with the pink one, we need to mix the solution and the baking soda together
Yeah.
first and then pour it in.
Mommy, let's put that in a lid.
Hold on, let's dry it off. Try to pull it apart. Okay, so we just got done making slime. Sissy, how do you think that turned out?
It turned out well.
You think it turned out well?
Yeah.
Okay, so we cleaned up the table so that she can play with it. Here's what it looks like. I think it looks good. How did it turn out?
Good. It's really slippery.
Is it getting on your hands?
No. This is really pretty.
The blue one actually turned out better than the pink one.
I can just lay my head in it if I need to. That feels weird. It feels weird.
Evie,
Please don't get the slime on that.
Evie, do you need to go potty?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Evie has been having issues going to the bathroom. She's 3, almost 4, and she still pees in her panties a lot. She doesn't pee all the way in her panties, but it's still enough to where she has to change several times a day. So what we've started doing is I set an alarm for every 45 minutes. She has to at least go sit on the potty and try. I feel like she should be potty trained by now. It's been almost 2 years and we're still having issues with it, so, right? I'm sure one day she's gonna love all of this information being on YouTube. Oh!
Fix it.
Oops. Okay, it's time to check on the pot roast. Let's see. I'm nervous. Oh, it looks pretty good. It smells really good. The only thing I'm worried about is that it might be too tomatoey, because my mom usually puts diced tomatoes with her pot roast, and I put crushed, which is thicker and more tomatoey, I think. So it may be just a little bit too tomatoey, but I think it's gonna work out other than that. So we'll see. I don't know.
It turned out good.
I think we made it. It's like
It's
perfect.
good. Yeah, it is like perfect, except for this. It really is. This part is going well.
So Truly has a baby that she got for Christmas. Baby. And so she fed the baby her applesauce all over her head. It's very sweet of you, True. Okay, moment of truth. Elliot looks nervous to give his honest opinion. Let's see.
It's really good.
Really though, like if what it's is it missing
If this
anything?
was on Hell's Kitchen, you'd be in the finale. You might. You'd be.
He rehearsed.
You'd at least be 5th place.
He rehearsed.
Just kidding, it's delicious. It's amazing.
Evie, what do you think?
I think this is good.
Oh, good. I'm glad that you like it. And here's what I think. I think it was definitely a lot better than my last pot roast that I made. So it was a step in the right direction, but it wasn't quite my mom's pot roast. It was a little bit too tomatoey like I thought it was gonna be. So we definitely need to do the diced tomatoes next time. And it was good. It tasted good, but it could be better. And so we're gonna keep working on it. We are going to spend the rest of the evening together, right? As a family. Probably go to the library, get some books. Some books for school. For her preschool. She needs to find some. Well, we need to find a couple for school.
Yeah, there's a couple. There's from preschool to look at.
We are gonna wrap up this vlog and call it a day. But we'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.